Oh boy, I've been working. I know it doesn't feel like much, but and it's a little bit of a mess around here, but um, I've done something. I just thought I'd share. I'm putting my switches in for the switches, how you change the track direction. Um, I've tried numbering schemes. I've tried a lot of different ways of mapping these things, and so I know what they do. And frankly, I've had trouble with it. So what I'm going to try to do now is a anatomical layout where I have this switch here, this switch here, this switch here. So you're going to see these things coming in like this, and then another one coming along like this, so that this switch controls these two, this switch controls these two, this switch controls these two, because they're interconnected, you see. Those are all interconnected. And then I'll go down the way, and that way I've got a little diagram to show me if I'm in a bind and something's coming around and I need to open that switch, I know what to do. Sounds a little weird, but I think it'll work. I just got to think about how I want the greens away or towards me or whatever. Maybe away. Green is away. Green is always safe, straight. I don't know. I only have one switch wired, and I thought, why not? So I power up the 13B. I'm off the accessory to a power strip, which will power all the lights and all the switches. And there, that switch is showing red, which it shouldn't. Oh, I know why I switched it. I switched it during test. Okay, so I'm going to switch it to red. See how it, I don't know if you can or not, but that's red. It really is. And now it's red here. So when red is on, that means that particular switch is in its non-straight mode. Okay? So red means it's switched. This one is not wired up yet. Here's how you wire them. Black, red, yellow, green coming up from the bottom. And they come out of here, and you have to run them along and drill a hole and poke them up and then wire them up. Then you have a light inside there that shows you. You can see that. It's really red, okay? I hate to say it. Okay. So now it's red, now it's green. So if I went to green, like I went boom, and both of those were green, they would both be switched to straight. And typically in a switch, that means it's in safe mode or it's in the way it normally should be. Okay? And that's green. Green is normal. So these will be green in a safe mode like that. Maybe they should be like this. I don't know. Where down and left is green. I don't know. I'll think about it. I don't know. But at any rate, I'm excited. I have one switch working. I'm so excited. It is really great because you could just sit here and do that. And so if you had something here, put a car on, it goes straight, then you switch it, and it goes off. Isn't that neat? Okay, that's where I'm going. I'm going to try to wire up some switches. I know I won't get them all up because they're all over this thing, and you got to run them underneath, and I'm drilling holes, and you got to run the cables through, and nah. Okay. Anyway, that's it. I'm just letting you know I'm not sleeping at the switch. Get it? Okay. We still have waiting on cork to finish this loop and that loop. Then we'll be all set with the track. I've got new magnets for more magnetic motors. I have to complete wiring on the sound. I need to print more parts. I'm working on a 3-wheel truck. And of course, we just, as you know, started Christmas yesterday. So, I don't know, man. Seems like we got a lot going on here. Let me see. Hold on a second while we're just taking a break. Oh, my back. I hate getting old, Good screw. What do you think of that? Merry Christmas. I've got track. This isn't cork, but it's homosode. It's newspapers, but I have it from the old layout. I should have plenty of it. We're getting a plan, okay? I've got a cobblestone road I'm going to put in, and I'm going to make a little arc like this. So it'll be a cobblestone, maybe a couple cobblestone paths down. And then in between the cobblestone, I'll put the snow, mound up the snow. And then we've got characters. I got a lot of characters I've been trying to pull out. What I want to do. I got Santy on a tractor over there, and I got Mr. and Mrs. Claus. They're going through the list. I know I'm on it. I hope I'm on the good side. Got a little igloo I found. Got, in case you get lost, North Pole this way. Ah, there's the North Pole. The directions, you know, New York, Sydney, London, Tokyo. There's a railroad crossing. Be careful. So I put a crossing right here. There's Victoria Station. That's the station that I have. And we'll put some lighting in these buildings. And this will be Christmas, and then we'll take it apart and take it over there and set it up. I'm excited about that. I think that's going to be great. And I will have my other controller, so I will be able to do the sounds, the horn and the bell, and I'm going to put some voices in, you know, like Santa, you know, blah, 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 were you a good boy, that kind of stuff. I think that'll be fun. I know, and the sad part is just me and Margaret come down here and look at this stuff. Okay, that's enough of that. Oh, okay. There's my trolley engine. I got it back from the club. That'll be fun. I have a trolley too. I have a real trolley engine or body. I can put two of those in it. Okay, I got secret surprise parts coming. Got the, you know, the 102. I reread this thing. It's gear lube, but it's very lightweight, and I put it on my heavy weights, and you will not believe how well it works. The bell is great stuff. Anyway, oh God, what a mess. Oh, I got my old radio out. I got it on the sports channel, so I have it over here because over there that radio goes upstairs too much. So Margaret hears it on there. Okay, so look, you see now, here's the control station. I think that's going to be pretty cool. I lowered it quite a bit so you can see over, you know, what's going on the track. At least I can. Margaret can't. She's like down here looking at it. In any case, the diner and that are going to go over here. I was trying to see how much room. That factory's big. I may have to tighten it up. I just put the Tucker parts delivery on a piece of track. I may put another curve, you know, just have it coming from somewhere, but it won't really be going anywhere. It's just a thing. I was going to put an engine on a track. Well, I didn't put an engine on it. I did put a New York Central baggage car there at the Grand Central Station. Okay, that's it. Switch works. I'm going later.